Hey everyone, if your Discord/commands are not working in 2026, like commands not showing or not responding, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix /command issues. First, make sure the bot actually supports /commands. Some older bots only support prefix commands, not /commands. Next, re-invite the bot to your server. You must include the application's .commands permission when authorizing it. Now, check bot permissions inside your server. The bot needs access to send messages and use application commands properly. Also, check channel permissions. Some channels may block /commands from being used. Restart or refresh Discord. Sometimes /commands take time to load or sync properly. Check if the bot is updated or experiencing downtime. Outdated bots often cause /command failures. Finally, test again by typing / in chat. The available commands should now appear and work correctly. So yeah, that's how you fix Discord /commands not working in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your commands should start working again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy fixes. Hey everyone!